Hi, my name is Andy Boyle, and welcome to The Primer. This is a video how-to series on the Forensic Technology product line and some tips and tricks on how I think you can best use them to get the most efficient use out of them.
In the following video, we're going to begin a walkthrough series on the Quantum 3D microscope. Quantum is available in two configurations. You have the Quantum Workstation, which is the quantum computer as well as an acquisition unit used to image items in 3D. And you also have the Quantum Application Extension, which is what we're looking at here. This is on my laptop, so I cannot acquire images with this quantum extension, but I can do all of the comparison work like a full quantum. All of the analysis capabilities are available in the application extension that you're seeing now. So from here, I would want to go and open a workspace to do my comparison work. But what I could also do is go to recent workspaces and see the 10 most recently accessed workspaces here and choose the one that I want to open from there as well. Once that workspace opens up, we can see now that there are 5 acquisitions in this particular one. Testfire 1, Testfire 2, Unknown 1, Unknown 2, Unknown 3. So these would all have been bullets from the case that you're currently working on. When the workspace is created, you give it that case number that we see up top here. On the far left, we can see that we can access those same items in the tree view here, highlighting Unknown 1 here, highlights it as well in the center tile. We also have access to the comparison viewer and quantitative analysis, which we'll get into in future videos later on. And you have notes as well here. If there's something pertinent about this case that you had wanted to put notes about the case in general, you could make these notes about the workspace in this spot here. I'll go ahead and put something down just for reference here. Let's put down bullets recovered from County Hospital. And so that, if I close this now, I can go back to notes, double click, and those notes are available. I could add notes to this section, keep that going as much as I like later on as well. Likewise here, if we click on Testfire 1, over on the far right-hand side, we have a summary of what we know about this item. Right-hand twist, conventional rifling, 6 lands and grooves. And we have notes as well that we can do specific to that item here. We could say recovered firearm is a Beretta Model 92. And why not make it an FS? And so if I click on the second one, there's no notes there yet. If I double back here, there's my notes for that particular item as well. Up top here now, we have the ability, if we needed to make changes to any of these acquisitions, we could do that by clicking on Modify, where you'd have the ability to make adjustments to the anchor line placements that were done for either of the images. You could also open up the comparison viewer or run quantitative analysis. Both of those we'll do in a future video. For now, we're going to close here, and we'll continue this one up in the next session of the primer.
Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to the channel for future content, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.